it's me, Sadie. You know the stuff you love to do? That thing that makes you light up? And it doesn't matter if you're the best in the world at it or anything, if it gets you to flash a smile. That part of you that makes you, you. For me, it's baseball, and acting, and singing, and a bunch of other stuff too. But what sparks me the most is getting to see what your glow is. Today, my friend Esponta is coming to show off her paper dragons. They're so cool. She hand makes them herself and she writes background stories. Oh, you're gonna love it. And her. Hey Esponta.
Hi.
So you have your dragons here. Tell me about them.
Wow, which one do you want to know about?
Oh, I don't know. This one. It looks cool.
Name's Maybelline.
Maybelline.
Yeah, she is a ringmaster for him.
Okay, so they cross paths in your stories.
Yeah, so these people are all in a circus.
Okay,
Yes.
that is so cool. It sounds like your spark is your imagination coming up with all of these different ideas for the dragon.
Sure is.
Which dragon are you most proud of? Like story-wise included, and also the physical crafting of the dragon.
I feel like Asterix.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Nice. How so?
He's basically just like one of my favorite characters because I like evil characters.
Yeah, you like the villains.
The villains.
Oh, that's
As
so
you can
funny.
tell. And he's just basically being a little bit corrupted here.
Oh, I see. It's one of the double-sided ones?
Yes.
Nice. That's so cool. So how did you make this one? And, well, the other ones too.
Actually, do you want me to show you?
Yeah?
Let's go.
Woo! Whoa. Look at all of the supplies. How do you make it?
Let's teach. First, you have to start off with like the shape of everything. So we know our mouth shape, right?
Mm-hmm. What are those?
These are the bases. They pull the whole thing together. You can't make it without them.
Okay.
What should we do? Remember that acorn I gave you earlier?
Acorn themed. Yes. When you're making these dragons, how do they make you feel?
Usually they make me feel like calm and that I'm like doing something I like, you know? You know when you're riding a bike, for example, and you're just like, oh my gosh, I love this. This is so fun.
Yeah?
Once you get the hang of it, it's kind of like that.
That's nice. Mm-hmm. Do you still have that same spark when you first discovered them as you do now?
Yeah, mostly.
That's awesome. What should we make this dragon story? Because all of your dragons have a story.
Yeah. Maybe we could do like found in the forest.
Yes, who are his friends? Wait, would he be friends with any of your dragons that you already made?
Maybe he would be friends with Axel.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Wait, what things do you have in common with your dragons? Because they're your friends too, you make them.
Yeah. With Maybelline, I feel like she has too much energy.
Yeah? So you took that from yourself?
Yeah. Okay, what if we just added like
Yes, I know what you're thinking.
an acorn hat?
Yes.
Yeah. I got the scissors.
It's beautiful. How do you feel when you finish a dragon that you've been working on for so long?
Accomplished.
Yeah?
Yeah. Because I'm like, finally, I did it.
But it's worth it in the end, even if it's hard and you run into some
Difficulties.
yeah, difficulties.
Yeah.
Acorn hat. Oh, it's like a little beret. I love it.
Okay.
Have you ever made a dragon where you accidentally made a mistake, but then it ended up being a really cool part of your dragon that you loved?
Yeah, actually. It was when I was doing Wafer, the rainbow one.
So you use the mistakes in your design to still create something that you really like.
Yeah.
Nice. Well, okay, what should we name her?
Acorn.
Acorn?
Some people name their kids Acorn.
Acornius awesomeness. Isn't this cool?
Yeah.
Hey, if you make one of these dragons at home, you gotta send me a picture.
Oh, hello! I'm Maybelline. It's nice to meet you.
It's nice to meet you too, Maybelline. My name is Acorn.
Oh, hi, Acorn. Well, thank you and to Esponta for joining the show and showing your glow.
No problem.
Care to sing us out? Sure.